Hey guys, what's up? Today we're doing a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree haul. We're doing a Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I went to the Dollar Tree and I spent like 20 bucks, which isn't a lot, but that means I got $20 items. Like I have 20 things that were each $1. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul since Arizona, probably, I think. I don't know if that's true or not, but Arizona, I had like my best favorite Dollar Tree that always had a lot of bomb makeup. And then since I've gone to Rhode Island, I haven't found a bomb Dollar Tree like that. But in my recent adventure to the Dollar Tree, they actually had a bunch of like a new LA Colors display. So almost everything here is LA Colors. And I'm gonna share it with you guys. We're gonna swatch it. I'm gonna show you everything that I got. It's gonna be really fun. And then I will be doing a try on video where I put it on and we like do a tutorial together and we try on the makeup, get ready together pretty soon. So if you wanna see that video, make sure you give me a thumbs up if you want me to do that. If I don't get thumbs up, I'm not gonna do that video. So make sure you give me a thumbs up. So let's get started. Let's get started. I'm trying to get this hair out of my face. First off, I tried to kind of take the packaging off a lot of these products so that I wouldn't have to do it all on camera. But yeah, let's start out with lashes. These are the LA Color Dramatic Lash and they're in like this thing. These look like these lashes are totally up my alley. I just wanted to share them with you because I'm super excited. I love the wispy, like the short to long type of lashes, obviously. I love those kind of lashes and I think these are pretty. And I wonder if they had like multiple different styles because I got the style Entice. So I wonder if they had multiple of these styles. I should have kind of looked through there and see, but this is kind of the first one that caught my eye, so I grabbed it. Next, they have a ton of LA Color highlighters. So this one is the LA Color Glow Now Skin Illuminator Liquid Highlighter. And it doesn't really say the shade that it is. Glow Now Pink is the shade. So it's like a pinky color, I'm guessing. Let's take it out of the packaging and swatch it for you guys. Yeah, it's not a ton of product, but it's 0.53 ounces. Whoa. Whoa, this looks like a pearly pink, beautiful color. Whoa, this is a huge, okay, I'm gonna do like a very big swatch and then like a more like blended in swatch. Can you guys see that? So this is like with a ton of product and then on this side is just a beautiful, just blended out. This actually is really gorgeous and I would put this on like underneath my foundation. Really, really pretty and it doesn't look glittery. It just looks like a metallic pinky color. That's really, really, really pretty. I forgot my wipes, guys. I forgot my wipes. Let me grab some wipes. All right, I grabbed my wipes. You guys know when I do Dollar Tree hauls, we need the wipes. We need the wipes. And I need a drink. Ginger ale. Trying to get my lipstick everywhere. All right. Oh. This as well, I was super excited about. They had a bunch of LA Colors primers and they had like color correcting primers. I'm not into color corrector primers, so I didn't grab any of those, but they did have a clear one. So they had like purple, yellow, green, pink. I got this one because it was clear and it says it just minimizes pores. And they all say on there what it is. And this one's called the Smoothing Face Primer. And this is 0.39 ounces, but I'm really excited to try this. I should have grabbed more of the color correcting ones to kind of check it out. But this feels like soft and hydrating. Like it doesn't feel, a lot of times like pore minimizing primers are thin and it doesn't feel like hydrating at all. But this one actually feels a lot like a moisturizer and it actually like it actually smoothed out like my skin right here, so that's good. That's good news. Hopefully that's a good primer. Yeah, it smells just like a moisturizer, not like super light clean scent. Okay, this I was so excited about, you guys. So excited about LA Color contour sticks, and they had 3. I think they had like a fair one, then I got the medium and then the dark contour stick, and they look like just chubby pencils. So this one here, which has like more of like a yellow tone to it, is the medium, which I'm really excited about because I love contours and bronzers like that. And then this one, dark. Those are the two ones that I got, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited to try these out. Ooh, and they blend out really smooth. Ooh, they actually feel really good. They don't feel oily, they don't feel sticky. They just feel really, really good, and they kind of blend out really, really smooth. But this light medium, the medium shade, looks like a color that I'm gonna love to bronze with. Oh, I'm excited to use that. Another thing. They had this highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter. I already tore off the packaging. And then they had these like LA Girl highlighters that look like this, and then they also had these loose face and body shimmer, and these ones were in the color like purple, pink, like really gold, and I got like this purpley color. So first off with this one, they had this liquid highlighter. It's the LA Colors Liquid Shimmer Highlight. I got the shade Candlelight because I thought it was something that was going to match me. I think they had one that was maybe a little bit darker, so if you have deeper skin, that might work for you better. But this one I felt like would work the best for me. Ooh, it feels really smooth. Isn't glittery. Definitely has some glow to it. Ooh, this is really, really beautiful. Can you kind of see that? Did I blend it too much? This is kind of one of those ones that you might just want to tap. But anyways, really beautiful, like a champagne-y color, just gorgeous. It's not too dark. I'm excited to try that one out. The Loose Face and Body Shimmer. So we're gonna check this one out. This one's in the shade Fairy Dust. I should have got all the colors, but I was like, okay, what am I gonna use the blue for? This is the only one that I might use. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. It has like micro glitter, and it's pink, but it's not too dark. When I look at it in here, it looks like it's gonna be too dark. But now that I kind of swatch it, it just looks like a pretty like glow with a pink tint to it. So maybe this one, yeah, maybe this one won't be bad. And the glitters are so micro, but face and body. So for only $1, that seems freaking good. Oh, another thing I'm so excited about is they had brow tints, you guys. They had a dark blonde I saw and a dark brown. And I know the dark brown looks like purpley taupey, but I don't think it's gonna be like that. It's like a nice, like neutral brown. It's not like ashy, and it's not red, which I am so excited about, you guys. And then they had, I did get this dark blonde to see what it looked like. Let's check it out. Fill and set your brows is what it says. I've never seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree, ever. I wonder if I should have gotten more of these. All right. Ooh, yeah, this is a beautiful, like, oh, I love this. The colors are gorgeous. Look at that. Like a taupey blonde color that actually would work really well on my brows. So I'm really excited, and there's a lot of pigment there, like a lot. I didn't think there was gonna be so much pigment. So I'm really, really excited about these, you guys. These only have 0.1 fluid ounces in there. They also had a bunch of lip oils, LA Color lip oils. I got the minty one, and I'm not gonna lie, it smells like mint, but it's not as strong as I thought. But when I put it on my hand, it feels like a nice oil, but it doesn't feel too oily, too sticky, too globby, too much. It kind of sinks in like really nicely. And it doesn't have a strong mint scent on my hand, but it does smell like mint, so I'm excited. They had like a, I think like a watermelon one, strawberry, all the typical colors. So a lip oil, we're gonna try that out. Okay, this other highlighter that I got, the LA Colors, just this highlighter in the shade Shine Bright. It's like a gold, like a light gold color. Oh, so pigmented. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's super pigmented. Let me blend this out a little bit. This is gorgeous, you guys. Does this, remind me of the Amrezy palette? Let me look. Oh, tiny bit. This kind of reminds me, whoa. No way, you guys. This kind of sorta looks like the Amrezy highlight from Anastasia. I'm not kidding, you guys. I don't know if it's as much in the pan as swatched next to each other. The Amrezy has a little bit less of the yellowy gold, but they look so freaking similar. I'm gonna need to bring you guys in super close for this one. Can you see that, you guys? So this is that LA Girl highlight, LA Colors highlight. And this one is the Amrezy highlight. Amrezy, LA Colors. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. It's a dupe. I found a dupe, a dollar dupe. I'm not even kidding, you guys. It looks the same. No matter how bright I make it, no matter how dark. You guys, is that crazy or what? Oh my gosh, like they kind of look similar in the pan, but oh my gosh. No wonder this kind of like attracted me, because I love that. Oh my gosh, I'm really, really excited. That's the closest dupe that I've found in my whole entire life to that highlight. Oh my gosh, you guys, stop what you're doing, pause the video, go to the Dollar Tree and pick up this highlight, you guys. Pick it up. If you don't have the Amrezy palette, the Amrezy highlight, get this one. You're basically gonna have the same thing. And if you do, pick it up and swatch it and tell me if you guys think it's a dupe. Very, very, very close. Okay. It's making me hot just thinking about it. Because that one's expensive. All right, another exciting thing is that the LA Colors had a bunch of palettes. So there is the nude palette, which is neutral and looks like it's mostly just, almost mostly just mattes. Maybe a satin finish in there, but mostly just mattes. Beautiful like nude colors, must have. And then there is a smoky one and a rose one. So, this rose one is actually really pretty. It's kind of rose, but not too much, something that's still wearable. And then, oops, these little things just drive me nuts. And then the smoky one has, oh, the green looks beautiful, and the blue and the purple, just some smoky colors, really, 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 really pretty. And in the back it even says like 1, 2, 3, 4 and kind of gives you like little instructions. I'm really excited to try these out because these look like they're better quality than any of the other palettes that I've seen at the Dollar Tree for a long, long time. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay, the last thing, you guys, that I got at the Dollar Tree are Wet n Wild Mega Last lipsticks. There was 3, and these were all like the reddish tone ones. So I got this first one called Caroline. Let me take this one out of the packaging here. Coraline, sorry, Coraline, which I'm guessing is a corally red, bright corally red, which is absolutely gorgeous, and they feel smooth, so it's not like they're dry or anything. I did notice that they didn't say, one of these said Mega Last on it, but the other ones didn't, so I'm guessing it's like a packaging thing, and that's why they were sent to the Dollar Tree. This one's Spiked Rum, which looks like a beautiful color. Like beautiful, like right now type of red, like a rummy red. And this one is Carrot Gold, which is just like a orangey red, which is just up my alley. I love that orangey red. So they swatch beautifully. They feel smooth. They don't feel like they're dried out. And I personally really, really love these Mega Last lipsticks. I think that they're really, really good, and I have quite a few of these. So I'll give you a second to like this video, and that's gonna let me know if I should do a try-on video. You guys, I have a little surprise for you guys. I was a little bit sneaky, and I did this whole haul, you guys, but let me just tell you something. I already filmed the Dollar Tree try-on. I was so sneaky. I already filmed the Dollar Tree try on, and everything that I showed you guys, mostly everything, is on my face right now. This total glam look, beautiful look, with the beautiful juicy lips, with the beautiful highlight. This is all from this haul, from this Dollar Tree haul, you guys. So stay tuned for the try on so you can see what products I used, how I used them to come up with this beautiful look. I was tricky about it because I wanted to surprise you guys in the end and show you guys all the things that I got from the Dollar Tree and how it looks on my face and give you guys a sneak peek. That video is going to be up so soon, so make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you stay tuned for that. And if you like my surprise, you like my little sneakiness, smash that like button as well. Smash it. So that's it for my haul. So that's it, you guys, for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for that try on. I hope you're excited. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.